Tomorrow is the day I'm going to be installing the 383 into my truck. I've already got it hooked up here to my crane, and I'm using that lift plate. First time I ever used one. It seems to be working really good. I did put a little emergency chain on there just in case. I didn't know what to expect. I've never used one before and I was a little afraid of it, but it seemed to work fine. So I've got that some hooks on the end of the engine with the chain running across on the hook on my crane, just in case something lets go. At least I won't drop my whole engine down on something, maybe on me. But just going to do a short update video. I've got the engine sitting down on the ground, jacked up on blocks with some cardboard underneath the pan. I've got the old flex plate installed using ARP fasteners. I torqued those up to 85 foot-pounds. And I cleaned up the mating surface here. Had a little paint on it. I just cleaned that off. And I ran a tap through the holes, make sure they were open and clear. And then test fit the studs in there to make sure that they threaded in smooth. And I think I'm going to go ahead and put the engine in with the distributor installed. I've already got it in and timed. I may pull it out and prime the engine again. I've already done that, but I'm hooking up the oil cooler and it's all dry, so I think I'll be getting that installed, taking the distributor out, and maybe running the primer through it again one more time. And I also did receive the other oil line that I was waiting for. It was on back order. Those are two brand new AC Delco oil cooler lines. I've got them snapped in place, and then they come through a bracket right up here by the motor mount, and I've got that just loosely fastened there so that I can turn the hoses a little bit if I need to get them to hook up to the radiator. I've got plenty of room in the truck, so I don't expect they're going to be hanging up on anything. So getting that done now is good because it's kind of tight under there if you try to put them on after the engine's in the truck. So I've got them tied up here to my water neck just to keep them out of the way. So I'll make another video shortly. Also, I'm still waiting for my accessory drive kit, so I'll install that after the engine's in the truck. I have my balancer on, but the bolt still hasn't been torqued yet. I still have a pulley to put on, and I don't have that yet. It's supposed to be here early next week. And I've already got the starter installed. Okay, stay tuned for another video. Thanks for watching.